Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I prepare this very delicious curry cow foot and beans. So right here, I have 3 pounds of cow foot that I already went off camera and washed, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of steak seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, also 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and rub my season into my meat. And guys, trust me, this is gonna be a very delicious meal, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna let it sit and marinate for about half an hour to an hour before I start the cooking process. So after marinating, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my cow foot to the pot, right? I can give you the key. You will open the door to Wonderland and you will stay. Also, I'm gonna add some water, right? And as you can see right here, I rinse the extra season out the basin and add it to the pot. So guys, you have to make sure you add enough water because you're gonna boil the cow foot, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it up and put my stove on high heat and let it cook. After cooking my cow foot for about 3 hours, I'm just gonna go ahead and test if my cow foot is cooked. And all you know when the cow foot is cooked, guys, is when it have this jelly-like texture, right? As you can see right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do some re-seasoning, right? As you can see right here, I have some onion, some thyme, some garlic, some pepper, and some scallion. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to my pot, right? Guys, this is smelling so delicious. Also gonna add 60 grams of butter, right? And I'm just gonna leave it to cook for about 5 minutes before I add my lima beans. Alright guys, so now I'm going in with my lima beans, right? I can give you the key. And as you can see guys, when I was seasoning my cow foot, I didn't add any salt. So now is the time that I'm gonna do some tasting, right? To see how much salt to add. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna add some salt to taste, right? Guys, the reason why I didn't add any salt when I was seasoning up the cow foot, because some of these powder seasons have enough salt content in it and you don't want to oversalt your cow foot. Perfect. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it to cook for another 5 minutes and then I'll show you the finishing product. Alright guys, so here I have a finishing product right here. Oh, look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. And you can go ahead and serve this with any side you choose, right? But for me, I'm definitely gonna have mine with some white rice. I feel it paired better with white rice, trust me. I can give you the key. You will open the door to Wonderland and you will stay. And as you can see right here guys, I'm serving mine with some white rice, right? Hot. Mazarap. Yum. Martin. Alright guys, if you happen to reach thus far in the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.